Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Tuscany demo in WpRentals theme. On this domain I have installed the theme and the theme included plugins, and now I will need to activate the theme. Here I will need to add the license code from Theme Forest. I added the code. I will click Check License. Now my theme is activated. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities, and for the SVG icons to be imported along with the demo content, you will need to install the SVG Support plugin. I will go to Plugins. I will click Add New. Look for the SVG Support plugin. This is the plugin that you need to install. I will activate the plugin and I will set it to apply only from admin. Now I can proceed with the demo import. I will go to WpRentals Options, Import Demo. I will look for the Tuscany demo. This is the one. I will click Import Demo, Continue and Import. And I will wait for the demo content to be imported. This might take a few minutes. The demo was imported successfully. Now I will click Visit Site. You can see that the demo content was imported. And next I will show the steps that you need to take after the demo import. I will first show the home page. For the home page to show exactly as the official demo, you will need to manually add images for the category used in this section and in this one. This happens because on import the categories IDs will be different. So first I will edit the page with Elementor to show the exact widgets that are used. The first widget used is the WpRentals Grids. This widget will display the category selected here. You can choose between category type, city and area. I will scroll down to the next section. Here we use the WpRentals category slider. For this widget you will need to manually select the categories that you wish to display on front end. You will need to select them from this list. To complete these two sections, I will go to admin and manually upload images for the category used in both sections. So I will go to admin. You will find the categories under listings. They are category what do you rent, city, neighborhood area, features and amenities, and property status. I will start with city. I will edit the category. I will click upload image. You can select an image from your device or from media. I will select one from my device. I will press Insert into Post and Update. The same steps will need to be done for all categories used in the homepage widgets. I will go next to Categories and show an example here as well. I will click Edit. I will click Upload Image. I will select an image from my device. I will click Insert into Post and Update. Since the steps are the same for each category, I will add the rest of the images of the record and after show the results. I added all images. Now they show as the official demo. I will show the second section as well. And now the home page is complete. Next I will go to Theme Options. Here you will need to replace the demo settings with your own. In logos and favicons you will be able to replace the demo logo. In map section you will be able to decide on the map system that you want to use. You can keep OpenStreet or select Google Maps. If Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in the site. In Payments and Submit section you will be able to manage settings for booking and payments. In Search section you will be able to manage settings for the advanced search form from the theme. Here you will be able to select the type of the search and select fields and make other settings. Next, I will go to settings and set permalinks. You will need to set them to post name. I will save the changes. And now the demo is complete. Next, I will show some quick guidelines on how to edit the details on homepage. I will go to the homepage Elementor editor and I will start with the first section. I will enable Navigator to have better access to each section. The first section is the header one. It was built with two columns, one with the search form and the other with an image. The search form was created with the search form builder. Here you will be able to change fields and make other settings. In the second column you will be able to change the image and the text. The text can be changed from the heading widgets and the image can be changed from the style section of the inner section. Going further to the next section, here we have a heading widget that can be edited, and next you will have the WpRentals Grids widget that I described at the beginning of the video. For the next section, here you will have the WpRentals Recent Items widget that will display your latest listings. You will be able to filter listings based on categories, and also you will be able to hide or show elements from the listing cards. Going to the next section, here we have a section created with Elementor widgets. You will be able to change the icons and the text. Going to the next section, here you will be able to change the background images by going to the style section in background overlay. Here you can replace the image and make other settings. Next you will have heading widgets. The next section will have two columns, one with text that you will be able to edit, and also you will be able to change the icons. And in the second column you will have the WpRentals video player widget, which you will be able to set by changing the video ID or the icon. You will be able to change the widget position on the image from advanced positioning, and also in the style section of the column you will be able to replace the demo image. In the next section you will have the categories slider that I described before. Going further, you will have the contact section. You will be able to edit the background image from style section in background overlay. The sections are displayed one on top of the other because we have added a negative margin value for this section. In this section you will find the contact form, which was created with the contact form builder. You will have the option to change or edit the existing fields or add new ones. Also, the image can be found in the style section of the second column. Going further, you will find the testimonial section. Here you will be able to add your client testimonials. You will be able to add images and text. And this is the last section on the page. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.